Hi everyone. In this video, we'll look at why and how we can use junction tables in Airtable. So if you have worked with databases, you would know that sometimes we just can't link two tables directly. We require intermediate tables, and that is what is known as junction tables in MySQL or in any type of database. RDBMS. And in Airtable, we are trying to do that only. So without further ado, let's get started. And by the way, if you need any one-to-one discovery call related to how you can automate your business, you can have a Zoom call with me. The link would be there in the description. And I can tell you, how and what parts of your business we can automate with tools like Airtable. And integration tools like Make or Zapier. And we help you increase efficiency in your business, reduce your manual efforts, tasks, and of course, reduce your costs as well. So let me quickly share my screen. So I have a typical uh, stored schema here where we have one orders table, contacts table, a company table, and let's say this store operates or gets orders placed via various channels, including online, offline, social media. So we have order type as well, which is a single select field on the order level. Order type is the master table. Product category again is a product category master table, and each product can belong to one category. Okay. Now here, if you notice, order is linked to contacts table, which is a one many to many relationship. One order can have multiple contacts attached to it. It depends on use case to use case scenario. One order can have one contact on one person assigned to it as well, or multiple persons. And obviously, and one contact obviously can be associated to multiple orders as well. So here in this scenario, it's a many to many relationship we have. And then order type, as I mentioned, one order can belong to one type. And as you would have noticed here, the thing which is missing is the relationship between order and product. Okay, basically in an order, a person can place an order with more than one product in that order. As you would have seen when you try to shop on online stores like Amazon, in that one cart, you may add multiple products with various quantities as well. Okay. So we have a products table which where you have the name, the unit price of that product, and of course the product category. Okay, but how do you link or put information related to products for that order? Okay, let's see if we can do this by creating a field. Let's say products here. Okay, or linking. Let me try to link this orders with products directly. So linked to another record, which is products in this case. And of course, one order can have multiple products. So we can have this checked, this checkbox checked. Let me skip this. Okay, let me call it products link. Okay, so now let me try to add the various products in this cell. So, in this particular order, I have added what order one, blue gold necklace and white silver earring. Okay. But let's say I want to add two quantities of blue gold necklace or three quantities of white silver earring. But there is no option for me to add blue gold necklace again. Okay. So this is where the problem arises. Okay. I'm trying to link orders with products directly, but in a single cell, it's not allowing me to add information related to both product and its quantity. although it is allowing me to add two products which may be placed in an order. But what about the quantities of each of those products? This is where we get stuck. Okay, so the solution to this is to create a junction table between orders and products, where each record in that table corresponds to an order product association, so that we can have a column related to quantity, and other fields as well which may be required. Okay, an order total holistically could be uh, uh, a field in the orders table. Okay, so definitely this particular linking is not working, so let me go ahead and delete this field right there. Hope you understood why there is a necessity to have a junction table here. It's a classic example of order to product association, I would say. Everywhere, any RDBMS you see where you have orders and products architected, you will always have a order line item table, where each record corresponds to a order product association along with the quantity. Okay, so let me quickly create that table. We will call it order line item, and see if if that is the solution we are looking for. And let me quickly delete the default fields here. Okay, so what we need to do is, obviously we have to link orders uh, to this order line item table. And by the way, always remember, since it's a um, association between orders and products, and as I mentioned, one record corresponds to order, one product and one order association. This from the junction table to the parent table, you can never have multiple records. So here it would always correspond to one record in the parent table. Okay. Similarly, let us also link the products link to, and this would be checked out, because what we what we have already discussed, that the association between would be between one order and one product, so that we can have a quantity field as well, and we can know that okay, in this order this product is coming with this much quantity. Okay, but from the other side, you can always have a multiple field association. Okay, so when I created this uh, table and created the linking fields, automatically the fields for linking the order would be created. Okay, in orders as well as products table. So as you could see, this it created a order line item field, and here we should keep this on, because one order can correspond to multiple records there in the order line item table. Similarly in the products as well. Okay, let me quickly change the spelling. Order line item. It's a link to order line item, and one product may have may be coming in multiple records there. So this would be checked anyway. Okay. Okay. Now what are the other fields in that order line item table? Apart from the linking, so we have linked the two tables. Apart from that, as I mentioned, there would be a quantity field, which would be, let's say, a number field, number type. Formatting will be a number. Okay. Then the unit price, which would be a lookup field from the products table. There is already a unit price field in products table as we saw initially. So let's quickly go to the products and choose a field known as unit price there. So you have a unit price field coming in here. Then you want one more field known as subtotal, which gives me the total for that product and that quantity. Okay, which would be a formula field doing nothing but doing a product between quantity and unit price. Okay, great. And of course, this needs to be a currency field. Let's quickly check the, and unit price also needs to be a currency field. Yes, it's already a currency field. Okay. And just to denote order line item records properly in the name, we can have basically the orders and the products concatenated. So let's quickly add the records here, so that so that we can understand what I'm talking about. Okay. So as you can see here, for one order now I have two products coming in that order with the quantity also uh, 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 documented and the subtotal. Let's add another order. Let me add order 2 first. This is 1. And let me add order 3 now. Order 3 contains, let me add order 3 again, contains blue gold necklace, 2 in number. Okay. And last but not the least, let me add order 4. This contains spin, 3 in quantity. Let me add another record for order 4. This contains black pearl, 5 in quantity. Okay, so we have the orders and products being associated with quantity in this table. Okay, and if you go back to the orders table, it is coming unnamed because we don't have anything on the name there. So let's quickly put a name here. We can add let me quickly add yeah. So if I have to put the name as a linking between orders and products in this particular table, what I can do is I can create a formula field here. Okay, and concatenate. When I try to give the concatenate spelling, automatically the function suggestion comes up, and here I need to first put the order number or the order link field, comma. I can put a dash and then the products link, which would give me the product, basically the name of the product there, the name of the order and the name of the product. It could be IDs as well, depends on what the requirement is. But yeah, with concatenate and using a formula field, you can have a name for a particular record in this table. And as I mentioned, since the association is order to products, so this totally makes sense to have it in this way. Okay, so as you add more records automatically, you would have the name automatically. You would have the name getting auto populating in this particular table. Okay, so coming back to the orders table, now we have the order line item feed coming in here. Okay, uh, let's quickly get the order total here. So order total would be basically a roll up on the subtotal. Okay, so we got the order total. Let me quickly get the order line item record here. Okay, and other columns are perfectly fine. So in this way, we have basically established the relation between orders and products, including the quantity, which was not happening before when we didn't have the junction table. Okay, so this is what I wanted to cover in this video. Hope it was informative. And I'll see you in the next one. By the way, if you want to have a one-on-one call with me to understand how we can automate your business processes by using these no-code tools like Airtable, Zapier, Make, and help you remove redundancy and manual tasks from your business, increase efficiency, and also reduce costs at the end of the day. Please schedule this call. There will be a Calendly link in the description, and we can discuss how we can do that and what will be the costs associated to that. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.